Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A, and let me show you how to set up this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process and how to activate the smartphone. So this is the welcome screen. Now you can go next. Here you can choose your desired language. Here you've got the full list of the available languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me simply choose English from United States, for example. Let's go next. You can choose your region, so let me do it. So in my case, let me simply choose Poland. Alright, go next. So here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your internet access. So let me connect my device. Let me choose the Wi-Fi. Let's enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose connect right here. Tap next. Let me agree to terms and conditions. The device looking for the SIM card. You can insert here the SIM card, or you can activate your device without the SIM card. So let me do it that way. Let's go next. Let me choose setup as a new. The phone is looking for available updates. Alright, here you can sign in into the Google account. It's not necessary, but Google account enables some interesting features. So let me connect my device. Let's enter the email. Alright, now let's go next and let's enter the password. If you are ready, choose next again right here. Let me accept the terms and services. The device is getting the account info, and here you can enable or disable backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. Let me agree to all of them, so tap agree. Let me tap next to the Google Assistant, and now let me choose no thanks to these permissions. Alright, let's choose all set. The device adding the finishing touches. Tap got it. Let me deny Mi Cloud to access a couple of things. It only depends on you. Let's go next. Let me skip signing into Mi account. The phone is getting the device security info. Let me skip setting up the Mi account. Go next, next, and next. As you can see, setup is completed. You're ready to rock. Let's wait until the device loads the home screen. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.